have our birdie friend chirping. Hello everybody! I cannot believe the day is finally here that I am in my backyard talking about my new swimsuit collaboration with China Dolls. So before I get into showing you guys everything in my new collection, I just wanted to give a brief history on why I decided to partner with this amazing brand. So back before I started YouTube, we're talking probably a few years before, I remember I found China Dolls, and before I found them, I always had an issue with swimsuits where the bottoms just would never fit me right. I didn't ever hear of scrunch butts yet. I don't know if they were even invented yet. I know China Dolls was one of the originals to ever do it, but what I used to do was I would take a safety pin and I would scrunch my own bikinis. And if you ask my aunt, she still has this funny story that I was running around Sesame Place with my little cousins with a skimpy bathing suit. Meanwhile, I'm like, I just didn't want to have that like saggy issue with my bottoms. For that moment, I decided to Google and I found China Dolls. So I instantly fell in love with their site. I have so many bikinis. You guys know me, like bathing suits have always been an obsession of mine. I still have my original bikini that I bought from them, I would say in 2009, 2010 even. They were the first people that I reached out to when I was thinking about doing a swimsuit line, because I just feel like the history is so cute, and they were my first ever like sexy brand that I found, and it's been such an honor to work with them. So this collection has been done and ready since last summer. We were about to launch and there was one issue with one of the bottoms, so by the time we had it all figured out, we're like, let's just wait, and it worked out perfectly because now my yard is done, and I feel like what cooler situation than launching my first ever swimsuit collaboration in my own yard that I worked so hard to get for myself. So I'm so excited to show you guys everything. You are gonna be obsessed. This linen shirt, I just die over. I've been wearing it non-stop. Some of the items I'll show you, I actually wore one of them in Positano last year. Let's start out with cover-ups because I'm wearing one right now. This is a white linen cover-up. This you can wear open, just over a swimsuit, or you could do like I do and just kind of tie it up. I just knew a linen shirt was a staple in my collection, so we decided to do it in white. We have the black, and then we also did the stripes. I'm gonna go into the swimwear and then we'll end up with the other cover-ups. Although dress is also available for my collection. It is a little see-through. You could wear it over a bathing suit. I decided to put on nipple covers and nude underwear, and I felt like, let me cover up a little bit for the video for make it PG-13, but this is so cute. I love this cover up. So the most fun part / the hardest part was figuring out fabrics and textures, and when she sent me the book of all the different colors, I was like, okay, I want one of everything. And my goal is that this sells out so quickly that she's gonna want to keep doing more, and we can do more colors, because I had so many things on my wish list. But purple velvet was just something that instantly stood out to me, and this style bathing suit is new for China Dolls. First suit I'm showing is the purple velvet. How gorgeous is this? I am obsessed with velvet. I feel like you don't see it very often. I wanted to do something different. And then what's really awesome about these bottoms is they're adjustable, so you can make them smaller by just adjusting it like that, which I thought was a really cool add-on. I did the gold hardware, and I swear this suit reminds me of Princess Jasmine. When I wore it in Positano, it was like my favorite bathing suit that I wore. I'll show you guys the pictures. So I named this style Positano after my trip to Italy last summer for my friend's wedding. So the back is scrunched, their signature scrunch butt. It's literally like a bra for your butt. Best invention ever, and it just gives your butt like a nice lift. So these suits are all available in small, medium, large, and extra large. Those are their sizing that they have on the site. I did try to push for some larger sizes, but we wanted to see how it went originally, and hopefully, God willing, it all does well and we want to do more. I'm going to push for extended sizes, so comment below and let me know whether we need to go a little bit smaller, a little bit bigger, but I'm so obsessed with this one. So in the same style, we did this gorgeous turquoise. It's more of a shiny fabric, but it also just looks so beautiful on, especially with a nice tan. Gorgeous is this color though. Oh, it's hard to pick a favorite, and I probably will say it a bunch of times that this one's my favorite, but the velvet reversible bikinis are just so cool. So originally when I picked out this velvet fabric, I forget something happened with the lining, or we weren't able to do this type of sarong bottom because normally they just do scrunch butts, but I wanted to do a little bit of a mix. I forget what happened, but she was like, well, the option is we can make it reversible. And I'm like, oh, like how freaking awesome. Who has reversible bikinis? I'm sure they exist, but I haven't seen any that I personally loved ever. So we got to do reversible, which is awesome because it's like so many different options in one. I think I posted like 3 ways in one that I showed it, but there's even more than that, which is amazing. So this one is definitely one of my top favorites. So we got the lime green velvet on one side and then the striped on the other. And what I love is if you're wearing it on the green side, it does still show the stripes. And of course, you know, I had to do a matching belly chain to match the stripes, which I literally die over. The bottoms on these are not scrunched, but they're more like a sarong bottom, so you can kind of adjust on how much coverage you want. So these bathing suits are definitely very sexy, and they're not for everybody, and I understand that. I really wanted to stay true to like who I am and what I wear, what I would normally wear. But I am so obsessed with this bikini. And the name of this suit is Paradise. I named it after Paradise Island, Bahamas, because duh, you guys probably know it's one of my favorite beaches that I've been to. Next up we have also Paradise bikini with the beautiful fuchsia fabric and the orange velvet on the other side. I still can't get over that these are reversible, and when I put them on to shoot, again, even though I've been staring at them for over 2 years while designing, when I put them on again to shoot, I just was like dying over them, like as if it was my first time seeing them, which is so cool. I feel like I've never seen anything like it on the market, and that's really hard to do because swim in general, everything's been done so many times, so I really wanted to keep it somewhat different, put my own twist on it. So next up we have this one piece. It's called High Tides, and I just die over these because they're so beautiful. I love this colorway, the royal blue with the stripe. And what's really awesome about the tops, they're adjustable. They tie up the back, so if you wanted to wear it more low cut, which I did in this photo, you could do that. Or if you wanted it more coverage, you can have it where it's a complete like high neck up to here. I knew when I was doing a swimwear line that I wanted to do matching with Lorenzo. How could I not? It would be a sin if I didn't. And I wanted to do like the mommy and me suit a little bit more, you know, conservative, classy, sexy. Still completely me, but again, a little bit more coverage than some of the other ones. These are the little boy shorts to match, and the little girl suit also. The boy suit has the netting inside, and Lorenzo just loved them. If you see some of these photos, you guys are gonna just die. It was so fun to shoot with him in these, and I had my best friend Daphne bring her daughter over to help me for the little girl suit. And I just cannot wait to see you guys matching with your littles in this. Everything is limited edition, so certain things we will be making more of, but other things are gonna be gone forever. So make sure you write down what you guys want now. And my other mommy and me set is the fuchsia and orange, which I'm obsessed with. The little girl orange with the pink bows, fuchsia bows, and then the shorts for the boys. Like, do you die? Literally obsessed with these on Lorenzo. He's worn them like 4 times already. So the next style we did in 2 colorways in a limited edition metallic fabric. So this suit was actually one of the first suits that I got from China Dolls way back when, and I have it in every single color. I'm gonna try to find pictures of me wearing it through the years because it's just my go-to one piece. And when I was collabing with them, I was like, okay, well, it's such a staple in my personal collection. I want to do something obviously in a different colorway that they don't have, and a metallic fabric I thought would be so fun and so different. Quite the hassle to get these made perfectly, but we did it. I would say they run a tiny bit small, so just wanted to throw that out there, but we have them in the royal blue and the black, and this style is called Bybel fitting, but this I feel like is so flattering and so sexy. Did in the same colors. We did the 2-piece crochet as well. They are still sold as separate, so I will say the tops run a little bit small. The bottoms are true to size, so just keep that in mind. I know bikini shopping is hard for people, so I wanted to everything I showed is all true to size up till this point. That's what I wanted to just quickly mention. The way the crochets were made, the one pieces run a little small, Mine are still small and fits me good, but if you're in between sizes, I would size up. And then same for the crochet 2 pieces. I would say the tops run a little bit small and the bottoms are true to size, so just keep that in mind. In the photos, I'm wearing a size small and I like it skimpy, so I wouldn't size up for me, but just wanted to throw that out there for you guys because once they're gone, and I don't want anyone having a size that doesn't fit them. If they weren't already sexy enough, wait till you see these cover-ups to go with the metallic outfits. Have you ever seen anything like this? I thought it would be so cool to wear like this. I love the idea of the long sleeve top where you just see like the boobs and then the little skirt. You could wear just the skirt, you could do just the top. I just dye all of it together as a whole. I just think it's so different and so beautiful, so sexy, and I cannot wait to see you guys rocking these all summer long. So next up we have the Twin Flame cover-ups, which are so fun and just a staple. I wanted to do them in orange and hot pink because it'll kind of go with literally anything in the collection. I am obsessed with the long sleeve shirt buttoned up with the thumb holes. I think it's so cool and different, and you could wear just the top with a bikini bottom, or if you want to do it as a full set, we have the long maxi skirts as well with the slit up the back, so you'll have no issues walking. And bikini collection for me just wouldn't have been a real collection without a bucket hat, and it's a reversible bucket hat. So we got a blue on one side, black on the other, which is so fun. I just love a good bucket hat, especially one that matches a bikini. Like, it's just my go-to thing, I feel like, forever now. So we love a cute little bucket hat. So cute. So it matches a bunch of the suits as well, and I love that it's reversible. I love a good 2-in-1. And then, of course, I had to throw in a cute little beach bag. How cute is she? I love this one so much. It'll fit so much. I actually brought this with me to Positano, and I used it the whole trip. It fits everything plus some, and I just feel like it's so adorable. Like, and then it also is like the longer strap too, so you can kind of wear it like that. We got this blue belly chain. We got these cute little tassel earrings. Look how cute these are. Let's see, how can I show these? Aren't they so cute? They go with so many of the suits. I absolutely love them. I figured, how can I not throw in some cute accessories? And then last but not least, we have this triple gold chain, body chain. They're separate though, so you could wear them separately. You can wear them together. Just had to throw in some belly chains because I just feel like they really make the whole look for swim. This is surreal that this day is finally here. I swear I feel like I've been waiting forever. And I just feel like it's all divine timing because, again, just being able to do this from my own yard is like a dream come true. I've always loved bikinis, you guys know that, and I'm so excited to share this collection with you guys. I hope you love everything. Definitely give me feedback because if this goes well, which I hope it does, I would love to do more in the future. It's been such a fun experience working with Heather and the China Doll team, and I just can't wait to see you guys in my suits. So make sure to tag us and write down what you guys want and get on the site quickly. We launched on Sunday, July 21st at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Mark your calendars, and I love you guys so much. Yay! Thank you for watching.